Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by confirming device compatibility and account prerequisites. You need an iPhone running iOS 17. 4 or later with at least 500 MB free for downloads. Open the App Store and update to the latest Google or Gemini companion app. Updates often include voice model improvements. Sign into your Google account and enable two-step verification before linking the assistant. Plan for about 5 minutes of initial setup and allow microphone and speech permissions when prompted so the assistant. Download the Gemini or Google app from the App Store and tap Sign in to start linking. After authenticating, the app will request microphone access. Grant it so voice input works. Choose a default language and voice profile in the voice settings and opt in or out of personalized results based on your privacy preference. If asked, allow background app refresh and notifications to receive voice replies and timely updates. Finally, test the wake phrase and a simple query like "What I miss it" to confirm the link. Improve accuracy and privacy by training a voice model. Repeat 3 short phrases when prompted so the assistant learns your voice. Adjust speech rate and voice pitch under voice and privacy to match your listening preference, and toggle safe search or blurring of sensitive info for tighter control. Use the shortcuts app and Siri integration to launch Gemini voice with a custom phrase or home screen widget for quick access. Finally, review microphone permission periodically and clear voice history from settings if you want to delete older recordings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.